website. They offer the tool for free, and all you got to do is just program it, and that's what I'm going to be showing you guys. So it's zip-codes.com, and what you're going to be doing is you're going to be clicking on account login, and you're going to be clicking on create a new account, and we're going to make YouTube demo account, and let me give it a password. Make the password something easy. And let me bubble in some gmx.com, bubble in some information. And let me just finish bubbling the rest of it in. So you're going to be creating a brand new account. And the reason for this is because you need to administer your store. Okay. And let's sign up. And there's no email verification, so that's the cool part. You can kind of just create this without. You see, it just created a new account for me. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going to Store Locator. So when I go back to the main website, on the left-hand side, well, let me just make sure I'm logged in. Am I logged in? Yep, I am. On the left-hand side on the main website, you see the menu over here? One of the options you're going to have here is Free Store Locator, and this is what we're going to be clicking on, Free Store Locator. Now, once we're in there, we're going to want to create one. So for that, we need to sign up with the free version. And let's log in with our existing account, which is YouTube Demo, and our password. And it's going to ask you, what website are you going to be hosting this on? Well, remember, if you're going to be using a zip code location system, it must be online on a website, whether you use it internally or externally, right? So I'm going to be using this with my website, dangerstudio.com, and I'm going to register it. And in about a moment, I'm going to have my own locator, which is very, very cool. There you go. Congratulations, you're now registered for our free store locator. And you get a free appy with this. And the cool part is that you have access to all these zip codes and everything. So let's begin. So the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to click on stores. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to create a store or import stores. I'm going to do this the more expert way. I'm just going to click on import stores. And I'm going to click on download sample template, which is right here. And let me open up the sample template file. And you're going to see here they're giving me a bunch of samples of what I would have to do. I would have to put in here longitude and latitude is not important, but you do need these fields in here if you're going to do the import. This will be the name of the store, the address of the store, the city, the state, the zip code, the phone number, fax number. And then you have obviously the toll-free number. They're giving you a range of options here. I mean, it's really, really advanced. Let me delete the preferred. And I'm just going to use the same exact template file. I'm just going to upload it back and show you guys what exactly it looks like. So let me go on and save this over here to my desktop. And okay, CSV file, save, yes, yes. Okay, now I'm going to go to choose a file. I'm going to select my store locator template that I would either put in my own locations or locations from the web or locations which I scraped off another database or yellow pages or white pages or anything of that nature. And I'm going to click on upload my data file. And right away it's going to be giving me a quick look of what the file looks like. So this is what the demo file actually is. It has a bunch of locations in what looks to be like New Jersey. And we have here all our fields. We have custom fields which we can use also. It's very, very cool. All right, so let's confirm this import and let's dump all these files in. And you see what's happening right now is it's immediately processing all the records. And that's it. Now, sometimes you have to geocode the stores. Apparently now you don't need to geocode the stores. Doesn't look like you do. Let me just make sure. It looks like they already are geocoded. Geocoding is the process in which this website just kind of like grabs all the longitude and latitudes from Google Maps to create distances between the zip codes. But in this case, we are not going to need it. Apparently, it liked the file, maybe because it's their own file. Okay, so that's it. So we have some stores now. So now what we can do is we can go to implementation code. And over here it gives you a little sample bit of code right here. I'm going to copy that sample code. I'm going to open up a plain notepad. I'm just going to write out a very, 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 very simple HTML file. And I'm going to call this sample.html. Now you can be using a HTML editor for this. I mean, you need to have something to create a website with. I just kind of did it here in Notepad. I'm going to go to my web server, and I'm going to connect to my web server. And I do believe I have a demo folder here somewhere. Yep, I have a demo folder. And let me go into my desktop, upload the sample onto it, and now let's browse to it. Let's go to Dangerous Studio